Today, we continue to introduce you to the Databoom service. In this screencast, we will tell you how to register and start using Databoom. First, open the Databoom site and press the Sign Up button. The registration page will open where you can select a plan. Let's select the free plan for now. As with many other similar services, an email address is used as the login. Enter the administrative password, confirm the password, and press the Submit button. This completes the registration process, and we are immediately taken to the control panel. Now, let's review the database management features provided by Databoom. We immediately notice that we can only work within a single database. This is because we have chosen the free plan. However, this is enough to explore the control panel functionality. So, what can we do with the database? To start, let's just look at the data. To do this, go to the Collections section. The sample task list collection was created within the database when we registered in Databoom. The collection can be viewed in a grid or as JSON. You can also manage your collections. For example, you can create a new collection, assign objects to it, download the contents of the collection into a JSON file, or delete the collection. You can also manage the objects within a collection. You can create, edit, or delete objects. It is also possible to add attributes to objects. You can do it in both the grid and JSON views. In both views, you can generate a unique identifier. That's useful. In the Queries section, we can perform OData queries to database collections and objects. In the Databases section, you can download the entire database into a JSON file, clean up the database, that is, remove all data from the database, upload data from JSON file, incremental upload is supported. You can add data bit by bit. The Access Control section allows you to manage the database users and their permissions to add, read, modify, and delete objects. There are two subsections, Users and Groups. In the Users section, you can create users and assign them object management permissions through the group membership mechanism. In the Groups section, you can create groups and assign them rights to manage the collections. The Projects section contains a few useful applications. They have been preloaded into the sample database. Feel free to experiment with them or to use them as a prototype. That's all for now. In further screencasts, we'll go into greater detail about each control panel section. If you found this screencast interesting, please follow our channel, visit our website, read our publications, subscribe to our Databoom service.